Okay, we're gonna go through a full top avionics bay communication system test here. So we think we have everything working. So we've got our Raspberry Pi, altimeter, barometric altimeter, and GPS. And then we have the RF module connected over here with its own power source. And then the base station RF, which will be connected to a computer. So first thing we're gonna do is connect our base station RF module. We're gonna have XCTU pulled up and connect it. So it'll take a second to discover. Because this is how we'll see it. We'll just see it straight in the console log here when the data is being sent. So I can add my selected device. It's this guy right here. We'll open the console. So nothing yet, of course. So now let's power up our RF module. Just flip the switch there. You can see the lights are coming on. And then plug in, this will be powered by a battery. The Pi will, but for now, this is how it's powered. You can see the light come on, and the light also comes on the GPS. Altimeter does not have one, so things are working. Takes a second to boot up, but the program is running in bash RC directory, so it should start printing to the log as soon as things boot up. So I will try to open VNC. It'll fail at first for sure. Take a second, but let's keep an eye on the log. Hopefully things pop open. Okay, so that's good. So something's coming through. And then I think it's just like the setup. Great. And then we get our introduction, WURocketry real-time data extraction. So at first we're only going to get time and the BMP altitude. BMP here being our barometric altimeter. And that is because the GPS has not yet gotten a fix. So we can't take all of its data. So that'll just go for a while. But what this is showing is that it's working. The program's working. And there we go. The GPS already has a fix. Awesome. So this is the way the data is currently packaged. And we can change these values, the number of decimal places as needed, things like that. So we've got latitude, longitude, altitude. The altitudes are a little different. They're relatively consistent, but our GPS altitude is consistently higher than the altimeter's altitude. So I'm not exactly sure what that is, but you can see this prints about every 2 seconds. All right, so I will call that a successful test. Didn't have to do anything on my part, just powered up the Pi. And I mean, now I could open VNC if I wanted. Just powered up the Pi and everything started working. So I'm gonna do a few more of these tests just to make sure, but I think that in the future, the idea is to do it in that order, and hopefully things go smoothly and all the solder joints are secure. Great, thank you.